Muang Thang Bridge spans over Nậm Rơm River. This historical relic site once witnessed the monumental victory of Dien Bien Phu in the past. Nowadays, it has become a tourism destination in Dien Bien province. However, over the years, the bridge condition has been rapidly deteriorating, badly in need of repair.
The bridge has been there since the Dien Bien Phu victory and has been degraded over time. It needs to be repaired for safety of travel. Muang Thang Bridge has finally broken down after so many years. We hope the repair is completed soon so that we can travel safely.
The repair and upgrade of the bridge is projected to be completed by January. The initial structural design is to be kept intact.
We will do our best to keep the work's design intact, while ensuring it is of the soundest quality.
The upgrade cost nearly $129,000 and is part of preparations for celebrating the 65th anniversary of the Dien Bien Phu victory on May 7th next year.